Good morning, children, and welcome to your maths session again today. You're working really hard and I'm super proud of you, so well done. So yesterday we looked at the number 14. So let's say it, 14. Can you say it? 14. Well done. Can we write it? How would we write it? What two letters do we need to write? A 1 and a 4. Fantastic. Well done. So you're doing really good at knowing your teen numbers. Now, yesterday you worked on our 100 square. And also today you will need your 100 square again. So hopefully you can print another one off, okay, or you can colour over the one that you used yesterday to save on a bit of printing. So what I'm going to do is today we're going to have a look at our 13 and our 14. So make sure it's stuck on so it doesn't fall off. Okay, so let's have a look, see if we can find the number 13 on our 100 square. So we're going to go along. And it's on our second row and it's the third one across. So let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 13, I'm going to use my purple pen and I'm going to colour in number 13. Okay, then we also learned the number 14 and I'm going to use brown for this one. So I know that one more than 13 is 14 and I'm going to colour 14 in a different colour. Now, what we're going to be looking at today is we're going to see if we can see any patterns. What more can we find out about the number 13 and the number 14? Now, the number 13 is a 1 and a 3, and the number 14 is a 1 and a 4. So we've got 14, a 1 and a 4, and we've got 13, a 1 and a 3. Now, we know that 13 is the smallest number and 14 is our biggest number. So we know that 1 more than 13 is 14 and 1 less than 14 is 13. Okay, so what I want you to do today is hopefully you've coloured in your number 13 just like me, or you can do it after the video. And you're going to use that colour. Okay, so we've coloured in purple. What we're going to do is we're going to colour in from the number 1 and we're going to miss a number each time until we get to the number 13 to see if we can make a pattern. So first of all, what I want you to do is we're going to colour in the number 1. Make sure it's the same colour as 13. We're going to jump over and colour in the next one. Jump over and colour in the next one. Miss one and colour in the next one. Miss one and colour in the next one. Miss one and colour in the next one. And then we should end up with 13. Now, can you see that we've missed one each time? And we've coloured, missed, coloured, missed, coloured, missed, coloured, missed, coloured, missed, coloured, missed, coloured. And now you can see that 1 and 11 are underneath each other and 3 and 13 are underneath each other. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use our different colour. So I coloured in brown. We're going to colour in all the other numbers starting from 2. Okay, so we're going to colour in that one. Then we're going to jump and colour in that one. And then colour in that one. And colour in that one, and colour in that one, and colour in that one. So now you should be able to see a pattern. We've got purple, brown, purple, brown, purple, brown, purple, brown, purple, brown, purple, brown, purple, brown. So you've made a repeated pattern using your colours. But what is this pattern telling us? Now, if I tell you that all my purple numbers, my 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13, are odd numbers. Odd. What does an odd number mean? Okay, so have a think. Do you know what an odd number means? Why is it odd? Now, an odd number means that it cannot be divided by itself. It can't be shared out. So should we try it out? Okay, so let's have 2 dinner plates. Okay, and we're going to share out the number 1. So if I put 1 on this plate, I haven't got any left to put on this plate, can I? So can you see that you can't share 1 evenly? You can't divide it by itself, can you? Let's try it with a different one then. So if I do change the number 1 to a 3, so I've already got 1 there. I'll put 2 in this one and then 3 in that one. So this plate's got 2 and that plate's got 1. Can you see? You can't share 3. Should we try it with another one? Let's see if we can try and share the number 13. So I'll put my odd ones on this side. So 13. We'll do 2 new dinner plates. 1, 2. And let's count. Ready? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's see if they're equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So can you see that with an odd number, it can't be divided into two equals? Okay, so an odd number, you can't share it. Okay, now if we can't share an odd number and all of the purple ones are my odd numbers, what do you think the brown colour ones are? What do you think 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14 are? Now, these are our even numbers. They're our even numbers. And an even number can be divided into two equal groups. Okay, so if we have 2 dinner plates this time, and we try and share out the number 2, 1, 2. Can you see that each one has got the same amount? Then if I share out, let's do 6 this time. Okay, so let's share it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you see that we've got 3 and 3? So it can be divided into two equal groups. Okay, so what I want you to do today is I want you to have a go. I want you to see if you can find all the odd numbers and colour them in the same number. And then I want you to find all the even numbers to see if you can find them and colour them in the same number. And maybe you want to challenge yourself and fill in your whole 100 square to see if you can find all the odd numbers and all the even numbers. And then to check, I'd like you to pick a number. So let's pick 35. Okay, so what colour do we think 35 will be coloured in that? Let's see, shall we go along? So let's go along with our purple to check. So colour, miss, 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 colour, miss. Now, can you also see another pattern? What's happening? Can you see they're going down in rows? So I know that 35 is an odd number. So can 35 be shared between 2? No, it can't, because it's an odd number. And then maybe you'd like to test it out to work out whether we can share 35 between 2. Maybe you can have a go at that one for me and tell me if I was right. Can 35 be shared equally between 2? You find out for me and tell me. Okay, enjoy this activity and I can't wait to see what you get up to. Bye-bye for now.